Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef and onion. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for this savory dish. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of thinly sliced beef, ideally sirloin or flank steak for tenderness. We'll also use 3 large yellow onions, sliced into half-inch rings, which will caramelize beautifully. For the sauce, prepare 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, along with 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. These components form the foundation of our flavorful meal. Now let's get our ingredients prepped for cooking. Begin by marinating your thinly sliced beef. Toss it with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a generous pinch of black pepper. Let this sit for at least 15 minutes. This step is crucial for tenderizing the meat and infusing it with flavor. While the beef marinates, separate your sliced onion rings. This ensures they cook evenly and caramelize beautifully. Finally, whisk together the remaining soy sauce, rice vinegar, sugar, minced garlic, and grated ginger to create our aromatic sauce. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once hot, sear the marinated beef in small batches. Cook each batch for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's beautifully browned, then remove it from the pan. Next, add the sliced onions to the same pan. Sauté them for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully soft, translucent, and begin to caramelize, developing a rich sweetness. For the grand finale, let's bring everything together. Return the perfectly seared beef to the skillet with the beautifully caramelized onions. Now, pour our aromatic sauce directly over the beef and onions. Stir everything gently to ensure the sauce coats every piece. Continue to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the sauce to thicken slightly and meld all the flavors. Serve this incredible beef and onion dish immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed rice. Enjoy your delicious, homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.